Hello, today we're going to talk about a nice new feature in the Alma October 2013 release, navigate to linked authorities from bibliographic records. So this has to do with cataloging in the metadata editor. As you know, it's very useful and important to get information from authority records. You're putting in the name of an author or a subject. You want the information to be precise. So Alma can get this information from authority records such as Library of Congress. So now it's possible to quickly navigate from the bibliographic record to the linked authority record. So let's see how this is done. Let's open the metadata editor. And let's create a new Mark 21 bibliographic record. Now, as I enter the data, let's start with the 100 field, the author. Suppose we want to enter J.R.R. Tolkien. So the first thing we'll see is how I can use the authority record to fill in the data. So I start writing Tolkien, and after a few characters I can press the F3 key. And here I have a drop-down list from which I can choose the name of the author. So I still don't see J.R.R. Tolkien. I can continue typing in more letters. And here we are, Tolkien J.R.R. Select. And now this information has been taken from the authority record. And here is the new feature in the October release. We have an icon here that says Show Authority Record. And if I click on this icon, we're in split editor mode, and on the right hand pane we can see the authority record for J.R.R. Tolkien. And we can see here all the various information. We see his name in different languages. And very useful to make sure you have the information correct. And similarly, we can do the same thing in a subject field. Let's take the 650 field, the topical field, and suppose the subject is good and evil. Let's start writing that. And to get the authority, I press F3. And here I have different authority headings available. I'm going to select good and evil. And the same thing, we have the information down here of good and evil in the 650 field. And if we want to see the authority record, show authority record, and we have here the authority record for good and evil with all the associated information. So that's it, a quick new feature of how to quickly navigate from the bibliographic record to the authority record. Thank you very much for watching this lesson.